Welcome back at the shop. I bought a bike and it's a pretty cool one. It's a fully lugged Cratoni Corvara and I don't know any shit about it. The flight I added, also the Paradise Bagman I added. Came with the Brooks Conquest ATB saddle. Let's make it a nice bike. What is kind of cool about the bike is it has some Campagnolo rims, but they're tubular. First MTB rims I encountered that are tubular. So we gotta change that. And also get all this useless stuff off the bike. Very tense situation with two tents. One of the nicest paint jobs I've ever seen. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's a prototype, because also what I see now when I remove the reflector, I'm gonna get you closer in a second, is that this bridge is actually from a road bike, and you could mount a road bike brake here, which would be kind of funny. Not gonna lie. Don't work hard, work smart. First of many. Maybe this will make me faster. Right? Fast glasses, fast working. I'm fast as fuck, boy. It's giving me riddles. And dirty hands. Hey, there we are. Maybe I can see you. Got the bike to its bare bones. But before we continue, let's take a little break. It's banana break time. Banana break. Banana break. You might be asking yourself, what's banana break? We tape a microphone to a banana and talk about stuff. As some of you might know, I also have an Instagram channel. Shameless plug here somewhere. Whenever I see a cool stuff online, or cool bike stuff online, and I want to try it, I just message the brand, and sometimes they reply and send me something. This was sent to me by Inner Bags. And it's a super sweet bag, fully customizable, made in Greece. What's pretty nice is this little thing here to attach a light or something. I have mine on because I actually use this bag for commuting. A lot of space. I probably can fit my whole head in there, right? Not gonna do it now. Check out Inner Bags. Or if you're in Athens, Greece, check out their store. It's cool stuff. Different kind of banana break. Catch. But eat your fruits and vegetables. We clean up. We're just gonna chuck stuff in a drawer and pretend I'm gonna do it in the future. I'm like a little screw goblin. And this is my little treasure. Put these wheels into storage, and by storage I mean a pile of wheels. This is our pile of shame. Welcome. These are the new rims. They are a bit more modern than the bike, but they work, and I had them. This is a bar I usually hate when I see it on the bike, but I just wanted a tiny bit more sweep on the bike, to be honest, and sometimes you gotta try out what you don't like, right? So it's gonna go on. Some beautiful Rennie Hurst tires, friends of me gave to me for my birthday. And then we just have tubes, brake pads. I used a new one, because I'm a cheap guy. Oh. This is gonna be a tight one. Because a lot of tires just pop on. It was kind of okay. It's good. Me not finding the valve. Oh. How can I if there's no hole? What am I doing? Sometimes when I see myself working on camera, I ask myself if I'm a real mechanic. Yeah. Ah, there we go. Yeah. I'm no regrets. No regrets. Dialing in that quick release. This. So I just pumped up the tire, and there's a small little defect there, and you probably, or I'm pretty sure you can ride it like this, but I just want to go extra safe, and I'm gonna put a patch on the inside of the tire. It will keep the tube from popping out. Got a bit better, but not a whole lot. Maybe I have to fix it with some super glue or something. But let's just put it in the bike first. Because I also just want to ride, man. Just want to ride. I had a short suspicion that this bike wouldn't clear those tires. I think that was kind of not really thoughtful of me, because those are 58 tires and the clearance is immense, at least. I want the good pump back. Tiny bit more tension. And this one has to go out by a bit. I may have said it before, but cantilever brake pads, not my favorites. Looks way better. And despite the spring tension, which is uneven, it actually feels good. And now we're doing it all again. I need to stop. I need to stop. because I'm fiddling too much with brakes and having the bike perfectly dialed in. But I'm missing out on sunshine out there. New bar feels very good. Maybe I want the front brake to be a bit more tight and the rear one to be a bit more loose. And we are golden. Bike kind of done. It's definitely not done. I forgot something. Bike is done. I can go ride. And eat a banana. Looks pretty. I want to ride. Please subscribe, and I don't know if this is the end of the video. Maybe I'm also gonna put a ride and review right here, or not. Not sure yet, but see you. Wow.